Think outside the data center with VTI's Intelligent Cloud Connect, the first SDN-enabled cloud networking solution designed to revolutionize inter-data center performance. Think about the explosion of cloud data center traffic. By 2016, it will be 6 times greater than it is today. A lot of thought and technology has gone into meeting this demand inside the data center. But what about outside the data center? How is all that traffic getting in and out? Inter-data center connectivity is the performance choke point of the not-so-distant future. Think outside the data center. Think VTI's Intelligent Cloud Connect, an innovative software and open platform combining network intelligence and application awareness with large capacity and scale. Built from the ground up to break through the performance bottleneck of inter-data center connectivity. Legacy solutions are too costly, operationally complex, and inflexible for the growing inter-data center connectivity demands. But VTI is thinking outside the data center, combining the best of routing, optical, and applications with software-defined networking, providing you with 4 times capacity, half the latency, at a fraction of the cost of legacy solutions, while allowing the deployment of new services faster and smarter. Higher performance, greater operational efficiency, enhanced network service innovation. Think about it. The demand for cloud services won't slow down. Think ahead and think outside the data center with VTI's Intelligent Cloud Connect.